Welcome to this video on operator precedence and associativity. Operator precedence is also known as operator priority. Operator precedence or priority determines how operators are passed concerning each other and how expression is evaluated. Operators with higher precedence becomes the operand of operators with lower precedence. Now let us take one example. Say we have an expression A plus B into C, and let us take these values. Value of A is equal to 3, B is equal to 2, C is equal to 5. Let D is equal to in bracket A plus B into C, and now let us print the result. Before that, let us run this one and let us have 25. The reason is here we have a parenthesis and the expression within parenthesis is evaluated first. So 3 plus 2 is 5 into 5, that is 25. Now, but if we write like this, say for example D is equal to A plus B into C, right, then the result, let us print the result, is 13. How this is evaluated? It is evaluated something like this. Here expression is like this. Here first 2 into 5 is done, that is multiplication of 2 and 5 is done first, and it will look like this. 3 plus multiplication of 2 and 5 is 10. So 10 plus 3 is nothing but 13, and that is how we got the result this. But over here this calculation is done something like this. 3 plus 2, that is 5. So 5 into 5 is equivalent to 25. So over here in an expression, if there are no parentheses, then multiplication of B and C is done first, and then the result of this, that is 10, is then added to the 3. That is how we are getting 3. But if we have a parenthesis, means parenthesis having the highest priority, expression within the parenthesis is evaluated first and then it is multiplied. So here if we look at the expression, then we can say that multiplication has higher priority than plus operator, but parenthesis has higher priority than multiplication operator. So here we have a complete priority table. So exponentiation operator has the highest priority of among all after the parenthesis operator, and then the second highest priority is with the unary, plus, minus and complement or a bitwise not operator, and then the third highest priority is of multiplication, division, modulo and floor division, and then fourth highest priority is with the operators addition and subtraction and so on, and finally the equal to operators or hybrid equal to operators are having the lowest priority. Let we have mathematical expression ax square plus bx plus c, and this expression is written in Python like this: a into x square, that is a into x, then this is a power exponent operator, that is x raised to 2 and plus c, right. Now we have these 4 variables within this expression, that is a, x, b and c, and these are the corresponding values. And now let us find value of this all, right. So it is 35. So how this is evaluated? This expression is evaluated something like this. Let us see the complete process of evaluation of this particular expression. What is the value of a? A is 2 into x is replaced with 3, then exponent is 2, plus b is replaced with 4 into x is nothing but 3, and plus c is 5. So all the variables are first replaced with the values. Next, we know that from this priority table we know that exponent has the highest priority. So this is 2 into first 3 raised to 2 is done. So 3 raised to 2 is nothing but 9. Let us have the same expression like this: 4 into 3 then plus 5. So this 9 is nothing but the result of 3 raised to 2. Now we have multiplication and plus operators. So first multiplication is done and then addition is done. So let us perform both the multiplication over here. So 9 into 2 is nothing but 18, plus we have 4 into 3, that is 12, and plus 5, and finally d is equal to addition of all this is nothing but 35. So this is how the complete expression is evaluated. Now let us look at what is the meaning of associativity. Say for example here a plus b plus c. So here two plus operators are there and have the same priority. So whether a plus b is done first or b plus c is done, and here again we have a into b divided by c. So here again multiplication and division operator are having same priority, whether b divided by c is done first or a into b is done first. So we know that the operator with same priority, then the evaluation is done from left to right. So let us have these values: a is equal to 5, b is equal to 2, c is equal to 3, and let us perform these operations, that is a plus b plus c. Save this. So 5 plus 2 is 7, 7 plus 3 is 10, and that is why the result is this one. And now let us again run this one, and we can see that the result is 3.333. Fine. And if we change the value of c, say for example, now let us change c is equal to say 5, and now let us run this expression again. So we are getting 10. So this expression will look like this, that is 5 into 2 divided by 5, and hence this will result in 5 into 2, that is 10 divided by 5, and this results in 2.0 because it is a floating point division. So from this we conclude that the operators plus, minus, division, multiplication are left associative. Now let us look at the exponent operator. So say x raised to 3. In Python we can write x raised to 3 like this, that is x exponent 3, and say for example x is equal to 4, so result is 64. Let us have this mathematical expression x raised to y raised to 2. So in Python we write this same expression like this: x exponent operator, y exponent operator, this, right? We know that the first y raised to 2 is done, and then x raised to result of y raised to 2 is computed. So let us have x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3, and now let us compute this one. So we find that the result is 512. Now if we perform the same operation, right, but say for example if we have parenthesis over here, fine, then the result is 64. What is the reason? The reason is, let us evaluate both the expressions. So x is equal to 2, that is 2 raised to y, y is 3, and exponent 3. How this is evaluated? Let us. So over here first 3 raised to 2 is performed first, so it will look like this: 2 exponent, the result of this 3 raised to 2 is nothing but 9, and then 2 raised to 9 is nothing but 512. Now same way over here, first of all let us take this directly from here, right? So but over here we have parenthesis, means whatever within the parenthesis is evaluated first. So 2 raised to 3 is nothing but 8, and then x raised to 2. Fine. So this is nothing but equal to 64. So from this we conclude that exponent operator is evaluated from right to left, means first this expression which is on the right hand side is evaluated first, and then the expression on the left hand side is evaluated. But if we have parenthesis, then as we know that the parenthesis has the highest priority or highest precedence, and hence the expression within the parenthesis is evaluated first. So except exponent operator, all other operators are left associative, whereas the exponent operator is right associative. So here we end this session. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great time.